mental illnesses. And for those of you that are out there here tonight that are suffering, I just want you to know that I'm doing everything that I can in my power to speak up for you and to raise the awareness. I feel like it's, I don't know how, but it's so weird to me that I'm here exactly a year later. And I don't know, after I wrote this song originally about a friend of mine that had passed away, but then after 365 days ago, I started singing it to my father that I know is looking over me and all of you. And so this song I always sing now for him. So thank you for being here on It's really weird being back here a year later in this exact city where I found out. But let's make new beginnings. So confused, everything's in line, but I am bruised. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero, is it you? I never see the forest for the trees, I could really use your